Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video what we're going to talk about is the best way to actually make some money online. This is the best way in my opinion to make some money online. If you're a beginner, if you're just starting out, this is the best way. And the reason why this is because you don't have any products to sell, you don't have to deal with customer service, you don't have to deal with any of that, you don't have to deal with getting some products in, making some updates if it's a software, having bugs that don't work or anything like that. This is the best way to actually make some money online. The reason why this is because it is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is something that's really amazing because you don't, as I said, you don't need to have any of these issues. The only thing that you really need to spend some money on is a sales funnel, which I explain, and I'll have a link in the description of this because, it does take some time, but, it's a step-by-step process. And that is the only thing that you need to spend some money on. And I made a video series explaining how to do it in the cheapest way that you can find on the internet anywhere in the world. This is the cheapest way to actually build a sales funnel. And that's the only thing that you need, because you need to be able to contact your potential customers and your current customers. And you can send them to a product that you don't even make, that you don't even have to do anything about it. You don't have to deal with anything. The only thing, your only job is to actually, send your potential customers or your audience or whoever it may be to, that specific product that you want to sell, that you actually believe in, that you think is a good product. And that's it. That is the only job that you have to do. So how do you do that? That is something, that varies quite a bit. But if you're just starting out, my suggestion is to build a YouTube channel. And I know it might not be easy. I had some trouble when I first started out because of that. It was very hard for me to get on camera, and I know that pretty much everybody that you see on YouTube had some trouble at first. But once you make your first video, you realize that it's not the end of the world. You don't need to worry about millions of people actually finding your videos or anything like that. All you have to do is just get in front of that camera, whether that's your phone, whether that's your computer, whether that's anything, your camera that you find, that you already have, and build, make your first video. It might be a 30-second video, but once you get through that first step and actually do it, then it's going to be a lot easier to actually do it. So the next thing that you have to do is actually stay consistent with it, because if you're not consistent, then it's going to be very hard for you to do. Because, for a few months or almost a year, I made some videos every single day, and I did stop for a few months, and that was a really bad decision for me. Or it wasn't even a conscious decision, but I knew I had to get back on it. So now I'm making videos pretty much from Monday to Friday every single week, because I want to get back to something that, is very enjoyable once you get through the first steps of, going through and going out of your comfort zone to actually create some content. So, that can be your first thing. Then, you can also create a blog, some blog posts. And, you don't want to do both of them at the same time, because, it does take some time to do one thing or the other. I'm only on YouTube, and I do have an Instagram account, but I pretty much never use it. Unless, you send something to me, I will try and answer you, but that's pretty much it. So that's, first thing, you want to actually build some content, whether that's YouTube channel or a blog post. The second thing is you want to actually have a product, because if you don't have a product, it will not work. So find a product, find a good product that actually pays you either good money, a high commission product, whether that's something that's going to make you $1,000 every time you sell something, or something that's recurring income, so you know, something that probably pays you every single month. Usually it's like that, so people pay every month, you also get paid every month. These are the two ways that you want to do it. So now you have your product, you make some content around it, and then you have something where your audience will want to subscribe to your email list, and that's the greatest way. Then you can contact them, then you can send them emails promoting your product or your products if you're already making some money. Don't go and try to sell a million different products to one audience, because people don't like that. But if you sell one product and you're making quite a lot of money, then you can branch off and sell several different products. So with that being said, this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get videos every single, well, pretty much every day that I do. And also make sure that you like and comment, because that helps me out with the YouTube algorithm, and I would really appreciate that. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.